Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Air, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using a home screen right here. So once it's open and visible, whatever it is that you want to capture, simply press the power key right at the top and then also the home key right here. So right now I'm going to kind of do this reach around right here. So both of them. Once you let go of them, as you can see, it captures the screenshot. And from here you can find that screenshot in your gallery application. Oh, there he is. Photos. So once you open it up, you can see right, not here apparently. Or is it this one? I think it's this one, yep. So there it is. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.